Hello! Today, we are going to use 5 colors to draw the English alphabet. Let's see what the 5 colors are. 1. Red. 2. Blue. 3. Yellow. 4. Orange. 5. Green. Let's start drawing together. A. Red. Red A. B. Blue. Blue B. C. Yellow. Yellow C. D. Orange. Orange D. E. Green. Green E. F. Red. Red F. G. Blue. Blue G. H. Yellow. Yellow H. I. Orange. Orange I. J. Green. Green J. K. Red. Red K. L. Blue. Blue L. M. Yellow. Yellow N. N. Orange. Orange N. O. Green. Green O. P. Red. Red P. Q. Blue. Blue Q. R. Yellow. Yellow R. S. Orange. Orange S. T. Green. Green T. U. Red. Red U. V. Blue. Blue V. W. Yellow. Yellow W. X. Orange. Orange X. Y. Green. Green Y. Z. Red. Red Z. You are so amazing for watching all the way. Thank you for coming today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.